That does the awesome job.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Put this one there.
There's also
It looks like crooked.
the thingy.
Electrician.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh wait, a different value.
Wow.
Look at that. Put it in place.
Get another one.
Except that tile right over there. That's okay.
This one. Measure.
What?
Ganun ka. Okay? Hindi lang yan. Sukat-sukat lang. Ah. It's good. Then, have to line up here. Okay? Then, let's go cut. Let's cut it. Come on. Stop muna. Stop. Job mate. Okay? Ito yung pinampuputol natin.
Okay, close my eyes.
Galing mag-cut, di ba? Perfect.
Look at that.
Wow, wow. Ayos ah. Saktong-sakto, George. Wow. Hello, George. How much you pay for that guy? Huh?
I don't know, 50 bucks.
Look at this. The end one, let's put in here. So nothing waste, okay? All use.
All use.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Snap in here. And then let's go. What? I need to cut little bit here. Come on. Sige, lagyan natin. Let's make a trick. Take the trick.
Okay. My dad figured out a good idea.
This is a
It
good
goes
idea.
in.
This goes in. Alright. Hindi, may...
Look at that. It's good.
Yeah. Alright. It's good.
A little bit and
Video mo
good.
to ah. Fantastic job.
Fantastic. Look at that. Very good.
Oh, this is the last one, Iman.
That's the last one.
Yeah, we see it's fit. Huh?
If it fits.
If it's fit, let's put the baseboard.
Okay.
Wow!
Wow.
Nice! Okay. Oh, yan. Ito na yung bedroom natin, guys, oh. Nalagyan na natin ng floor. Ayos. Baseboard na lang.
It's
Yan.
and it's white.
Ayan, makalat pa yung kan namin, oh. Very nice.
Watch one.
Ang suspended ceiling natin, yan, maganda.
Daddy, it's almost like a butch one.
Mhm.